Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to the place where we embark on exciting journeys to discover the wonders of the animal kingdom. I'm your guide, and today we're going to have a blast learning about some incredible animal kids. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Young learners, today we're exploring the world of sheep. Did you know baby sheep are called lambs? They're as fluffy as clouds and love to play in the fields. Can you make a BA sound like a sheep? Give it a try. Now, let's imagine all the cozy things we can create from their soft.
Cow. Cows are gentle and friendly animals that live on farms. They have big, kind eyes and usually have black or brown fur. Cows eat grass and hay to stay healthy, and they make a sound called moo. Farmers take care of cows, and some cows provide milk that we drink. They're important for farms and chickens are small, feathered birds that live on farms. They come in different colors, like white, brown, and black. Chickens lay eggs, and farmers collect them for us to eat. They eat grains, seeds, and bugs to stay happy and healthy. Chickens make a sound called cluck and often walk around in GR.
Buffaloes are large, sturdy animals with thick fur that can be brown or black. They have big, curved horns that add to their impressive appearance. Buffaloes are often found in grassy plains. They graze on grass and other vegetation to get their food. Unlike cows, buffaloes are known for their wild. Goats are friendly, small to medium-sized animals often found on farms. They come in various colors and some have horns. Goats are known for their curious and playful behavior. They eat a variety of plants, including grass, leaves, and even some shrubs. Goats are agile climbers and enjoy exploring. Ducks are water-loving birds with webbed feet, which makes them excellent swimmers. They have waterproof feathers that keep them dry while swimming. Ducks come in various colors and sizes, and some have distinctive markings on their plumage. Ducks quack and make other sounds, and they are known for horses are majestic, four-legged animals known for their strength and beauty. They come in various breeds, sizes, and colors. Horses have a flowing mane and tail, and they are often used for riding, racing, or as companions. Horses are herbivores, primarily eating hay, grass, and grains. Rabbits are small, furry mammals known for their long ears and twitchy noses. They come in various colors and patterns. Rabbits are herbivores, enjoying a diet of hay, vegetables, and sometimes fruits. They have a unique behavior called binkying, where they leap and twist in the air when they're aged. Thank you for watching.